Hello, today is Monday, October 28th, and today was the day I had two tests, one in physics and one in Spanish. So in physics, we just had a regular test on 2D kinematics, and I that was the type of test where I think I got everything right, but I feel like I got everything wrong because I knew what I was supposed to do, but I ran out of time to check all my answers and my processes. And the thing about it is each answer built on the last one, so I feel like I kind of messed up on the entire thing. If I had one mess up, it would be over for me. So hopefully that didn't happen, but I felt relatively confident. Probably not getting 100, but I can definitely hopefully get an A on this. The worst case scenario, I get a retake. So that's a good lifeline. That's what I like about physics. And an 87 is an A in this class, so it's slightly easier compared to the others. But yeah, let's move on to Spanish test. Spanish test, it was really easy. We just had to read a paragraph. In our case, it was an ID card, and we had to identify different parts of it, like what part means date, what part means nationality, and answer some questions like what type of card is this? How do you know? And answer some implying questions like, for example, I believe one of them was ministrio, and we had to imply the meaning. And since it's a cognate, which is a word that is um, essentially a Spanish word that sounds similar to an English word, so yeah, it was a cognate, and I was able to identify. I feel like I got 100 on that test. But yeah, that was all it for school. I also had some more swim instructing shifts. Today's kids were pretty chill, in fact, but my first class was really hyperactive. They were like the craziest kids I've ever seen. So that did give me a bit of headache. They wouldn't listen, but ended up dealing with it okay. And they swapped out the class I didn't really like, which was the lowest level class because I'm not experienced enough, to a more higher level class, which I'm more comfortable with. So that was a good thing. So that's all I have today. Thanks.